Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an orange from Rainbow Friends surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this fun video today. Now to start off with our Rainbow Friends surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up each corner, giving it a nice fold down the middle, so it's like I'm making a little birthday card. Next, I'm going to go and I'm going to fold this one more time, making a nice fold down the middle, so that way it almost looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the eyes of orange. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a nice, decent sized sad face like this. And that'll be his first eye. To finish off the eye, let's make a nice little curve across the bottom. And then right here, let's make a line that comes down on each side with a little line across. Now, starting here, we need to make the snout of orange. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come out to about here. Then right here, we're going to curve it up, and then we'll come down here for like the nose. Now over here, I want to make the other eye. So we'll start right about here. This time, let's draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over to this eye. And then right here, we'll make a line that's going to come up, and then we'll curve it down in that sad face shape again. Now let's make the pupils. So I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come up, and then down right here. And I'll go ahead and color that in real quick. And then over here, let's just draw a little line that's going to come up. And we'll just color that in real fast for the other pupil. Now starting here, let's bring a line that's going to curve down just a little bit. And then we're going to bring this line over to here. Now starting here, let's make a line that's just going to come down and then up just a little bit. And you can see it's right underneath the fold. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to come all the way to here and just kind of curve. And then over here, I'm going to make a little line that comes over. And we'll give him a little arm. We'll make a little line that's going to come down here at an angle. Then we'll go out to here. We'll curve this down with a point for a finger. We'll do another one here. And then one more right here, and we'll bring it up. Then we'll finish off the arm by going over and bringing it up. And then we'll just draw a line right over here to the end. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Once our picture is open, we have our two halves of our Rainbow Friend orange. Now let's begin with the top. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to bring this line down just a little bit. Next, I'm going to bring this line over to right about here. And then what I'll do is I'm going to curve this up, but I don't want to go all the way to that fold right there. I want to leave some space. Then I'll do the same thing here. We'll come up just a little bit. And then I'll bring this line over here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and connect to here. And then I'm going to add some teeth. Now draw the teeth of orange. I'm just going to begin by making some little pointed teeth like this. And we're just going to make these come all the way across. We'll end it right about here. And we'll do the same thing here. Let's just add some different teeth. And we're just going to bring this to right about here. Now, you can always leave it like this, or if you want to, you can add some extra details in here. So, one of the things you could add is you could put like a tongue. So I'm just going to draw a little line. It's going to come up, and it's just going to curve back to here for a little tongue. Now, you can always take it a step farther and you could add some other Rainbow Friend characters in here. So maybe I want to put blue in here. So if I want to put blue in here, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to draw a circle like this. Then I'm going to make an oval shape right here, right up against the side. And then I'm going to make a bigger circle shape right here. Now right here, I'm going to add the pupil. We'll make it a little bit bigger. And then right over here, I'm just going to make a little X in here for the eye. We'll make a big sad face right here. And then we'll make a line that comes across. And then right here, I'm going to make a little wiggly line for like that drool. And then I'm just going to color this part of the mouth in all black. For the crown, we're just going to make a line that's going to go up and down again, and up and down one more time. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We'll curve it around and bring it back down. And then over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring it down here at an angle, kind of so it looks like he's running. I'll curve this line down, we'll come up, and then back down. And you can see it's a little bit bigger on the end. I'll make a line that's going to come down here, and a line that's going to come down here for the body. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and down. And then over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and that's going to come back up here. Curve this line over and come up. And we'll bring this line over. Do the same thing here. We're just going to go down to the tongue, bring it up, and then connect to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an orange from Rainbow Friends Surprise Fold. We have it all folded up. We just have our innocent looking orange right there. But then when it's open, you can see that his mouth is huge and he's getting ready to eat the Rainbow Friends blue. Now there's lots of things you can put in here, so feel free to draw whatever you want. And if you like these Rainbow Friends Surprise Folds, definitely let me know some other ideas you'd like to see. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.